real quick. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, hit that notification button, subscribe, so this way you can stay up to what is going on in this crazy economic climate, get the tips you need to build wealth fast in your business. Peace and blessings. All right, so I'm going to give you three tips that's going to help you with your business. Okay, don't never say I didn't give you nothing. Bottom line is this: got to stop selling. I know you heard that before, but you have to learn how to promote and attract the people that you are designed to help. Everybody is not your prospect. Please don't let that go over your head. It's not telling you that you don't promote, that you don't sell. It's just how you do it that matters. Okay, because that ain't how you do it. Number two, what you have to learn how to do is understand the correct messaging. Now, I know you heard me say this, and this is probably going to go over your head. We have to figure out how to help people, right? You have to solve a problem. When you do that, you create income because you're helping somebody, and they will pay you an amount of money to fix a problem. Number three, you actually have to figure out the person that you're talking to, how to help them with the product that you have. That solution that you think that you're solving, how does it benefit them personally? How can it upgrade or level up them from where they are? That's how you determine on how to value the price of what you are charging. Then you can learn whether or not you have a major 5K day or an average sign up for $100. Not sure? You want the mentorship to figure out how to put it together? Let's go.